Hello, Nissan fans in cartoon form. So today we have another ChoroQ, and it's of the late 80s Nissan Silvia, the S13. And I'm assuming this is the color scheme that they're going for. It's just that image and the color doesn't really match at all. But maybe this looks really muted. Maybe there was a different color option that is more like this. Here's the back view, right? Okay, so yeah, it's a deformed car, so it doesn't have to look perfect. That's the beauty of deformation. I don't recall seeing wheels like this ever by ChoroQ, but they look cool. Although they look nothing like the wheels on the actual photographs, but you can see some nice molded panel lines here. There's still a door handle, the fuel filler. The smoked body here is trying to cover up the motor, but not very well because the motor's white for some reason. Very often they're gray. And then here we have the molded headlights. Interesting how they did it. They recessed the 3 bulbs there inside of a rectangle. And then we got a turn signal actually sticking out, painted yellow, nice here. And then we have black, smooth plastic here. Nice paint though. I think this whole light bar is clear. Yeah, it is. Look at that. Yeah, you can just see. So it's amazing that they're able to, paint one piece of plastic to look so nice, right? This is all one piece of clear plastic. All right, taillights are nice that they have color separation. Nice that this little coin holder tells you what it is. There's also silver here for a separate muffler. That's a nice touch. And then we have a separate wing here. So the metallic is nice, although it's got some contaminants here in the actual paint process, it looks like. So that's too bad. Alright, on the bottom it says it's from 2003. Okay, from the high grade collection, I guess. Standard construction of a screw and a tab. And I'm going to keep these wheels, but it's just a stock ride height because this is a toy, and whoa, what's up with that? The front, yeah, something's wrong with the front axle, so the thing's doing donuts. Interesting. Let's do that again because we just don't see that too often. That's pretty neat. So if you want to have donuts, just warp one of the wheels, or just put some poster putty up in there, and it'll do that. All right, that's cool. If you want to actually play with these things. Anyways, I'm taking this apart because I'm going to take the wheels off, and then I'm going to use poster putty so I can lower the stance, because I think Silvias look a lot cooler when they're lowered. Now, unfortunately, as usual, this tab doesn't want to come out of the hole because for some reason they mold the tab super wide where it goes through that hole one time. This is a pretty easy fix though. You just got to cut the back side of the tab off a little bit so it has a better angle. But hold on. I didn't even notice there's a license plate on the front with the S13. So this thing has a lot of great detail. More than usual, it seems. Alright, anyways, I'm going to cut that much plastic off there. Let's see if that's enough to clear. You don't want to cut too much off or the tab might totally break. There. Yeah, so I don't know. I wish they designed these tabs a little better so you can take them apart, but I'm guessing that's not something that ChoroQ is thinking about, people modifying their toys. So we got that one out. I have a 3D printed motor shell here. This one's black, so it won't be so obvious. And then, let's get that knife out of here, because it's going to freaking kill me. Get a screwdriver so I don't strip out this plastic thread. Find the thread, screw it back. Doesn't need to be tight. Alright, now I just got some poster putty here. Alright, now we gotta get these wheels off, pry this out, twist and pull. So this one has like concentric rings holding it on. I gotta get some pliers for this side though. I'm a righty. Yeah, it took a lot of force because those aren't knurled. They're actual rings, so I gotta do this off camera. Yeah, that took a lot of effort, so much so that the tire started to come off. So the rear, I should be able to... These are always knurled, it seems. Yeah, see, that's knurled, so that's a lot easier. But I'm going to have to grip this side of the axle. Do the same on that side. So I'll just save this, clip off the motor axle. Or you can actually take clippers, take out that blue thing and remove it. Or you could take the whole thing apart and preserve this if you want to ever redo it, put it back to stock, which I'm too lazy to do, so I know I won't do that. Okay, with the poster putty here. Seems like I need a lot of poster putty in the rear. We'll make this one steer a little bit. Yeah, I'm gonna need some more putty. This gray one I use is called Uhu Potafix Pro. If you guys know of another cheap, dark, preferably black poster putty, please leave a comment. So we got some JDM camber there, excessive camber. That doesn't make much sense in the real world, but for a cartoon car, makes perfect sense. There we go. Okay, so I have a few other Silvias. This one's called the 1800 LSX. This toy's from 2004. This looks like maybe it's from the 70s. I have some alloy, like Hot Wheels kind of wheels on there. Here's a cool race car. I have 3D printed wheels on this one. This is from the Super GT series. It doesn't say the year though, but on the bottom, this toy, 2001 is when this GT series was, but the toy is from 2002. I don't know if this is an S13. No, the headlights I think tell me it's an S14. And then here's I believe an S14, just a street version, and this has some sort of aftermarket wheels. Maybe they're majorettes, or possibly Hot Wheels. I'm not sure. I bought a grab bag of wheels and slap that on. And the last one is not a Silvia, but I believe it's a coupe. It's this one has Hot Wheels wheels on it. Nissan Gloria. This is from ChoroQ Zero. It's number 5 in their series. So, like, the Zero has mirrors, but you have to glue them on yourself in most instances. This one has a lot of paint details. Maybe not as much as the race car, but... Well, anyways, it's nice. They're all nice, actually. Today we're going to spin with the Count from Sesame Street. I don't know who makes that toy. I just bought it because it's small. It literally looks like the Count could drive this car. Okay, cool. It's nice to see new wheels, or... I can't recall these wheels, but I have hundreds of these ChoroQs, so I can't remember everything. Thanks for watching today. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.